How's it going, ladies? I wanted to come to you today and give you a super helpful tip on how to achieve the bum up pose super quickly and easily to be able to get the babies comfortable in the position, not squirming, and getting your shot like that. So today my model is going to be the stand-in baby. Sometimes I'll be able to bring you live models, other times it's going to be the stand-in baby, and this is what we're working with today. So one of the very kind of quick and easy ways that I transition them into the bum up pose is by putting him into that forward burping position. So most of you ladies are all mamas, you've all had experience with this, but it's simply sitting the baby up, leaning the baby forward as if you're going to go into that burping position, and then scooching them forward, grabbing their legs back on your legs here, crisscrossing their feet while you've still got them underneath the chin in that same burping position, grabbing the leg that's behind, crisscrossing over, and simply tucking them just like that. And then literally, if they're squirming while you're doing this, you can start shh, 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 and they love it. Every single baby just calms right down. When you've got their legs crossed in a comfortable position, you've got their cheeks in both thumb and finger here so that they're kiltered really easily and supported back and forth like this. And then just shh, shh, shh. Half of them won't even wake up at all. So this is a really quick way to transition into this pose and get them comfortable before they're even on the prop. The biggest thing to make sure is that the back leg is the one that's crossing over underneath the tush like this, because you want to be able to see their toes popping out from the side for the pictures. It's best to try and get as many as the little fingers and toes as you can in there so that you can get all of their little features for parents to enjoy and see. But it doesn't make that big of a difference for how much money you're able to get from that particular pose in your sales sessions. So I'm going to tell you from years and years of experience, some babies are really sensitive with their hands and they like their hands clenched really tightly. Whenever you touch them, they automatically go like this. Other babies have really sensitive feet. And so sometimes if you're lying them in this position and you're trying to bake it perfect, the way that you see everybody suggesting in the Facebook groups, you want their hands flat underneath their cheek, some babies just won't do it. Some babies are not flexible enough, especially if they're close to that 14-day-old period, to be able to twist their knee to their elbow so that you can get all those cute, adorable little rolls on their back. And you know what? The parents don't know the difference anyway. It has never killed my sales. It has never ruined the shot. And I'm telling you, half of the time, us as photographers, yes, of course, we're trying to get better at what we do, better at the artwork, the posing, and everything. But literally, what's going to move the needle forward in your business is your sales and your marketing. And feeling like your work isn't good enough because of a simple thing like a hand not being flat or a knee not touching an elbow is crazy, because your parents that are there for their newborn session don't know the difference anyway.